Well, new developments tonight in the scandal that caused a Metro City councilman to resign last month.
Today in court, a judge revoked the bond of the former councilor's cousin, Tavares Buchanan, and he was led away to jail.
News Channel 5's Chris Conti was there. He has the latest on this developing story.
He didn't know it when he first walked into the courtroom today.
The only issue before the court right now is the source of the money.
But these would be Tavares Buchanan's final moments of freedom for the time being.
But more importantly, Your Honor, is the new evidence.
For the state, this was about one thing, putting Buchanan back behind bars. Buchanan's cousin, former city councilman Lionel Greene, initially paid for his $10,000 cash bond last year, after officials say Buchanan nearly beat his ex-girlfriend to death.
See, she's going to have to be shut down. I'm going to deal with her.
Jailhouse phone calls, though, show Greene lied about having that money, which eventually came from a bag of cash tucked behind a relative's couch.
The moment the defendant is in custody, even the first calls, if you look, are from the booking pot. He starts calling Mr. Greene to try to construct, one, the false bond source hearing, and two, to get Mr. Greene to lean on the victim.
Both Greene and Buchanan are also now charged with coercing that victim into not testifying.
The first fraud is to falsify his bond, and the second fraud is to get his most powerful and most influential family member to work on the witness, the victim, to not come to court and be a witness against him.
The judge said storing $20,000 in a grocery bag isn't illegal, but there was no documentation showing where the cash came from.
The court finds that, does not find that the defendant has satisfactorily established that this money is not associated with criminal activity, so I'm going to revoke that bond.
And so, in his final moments of freedom, Buchanan blew his family a kiss.
When one's freedom is taken away, a person has a lot of questions. A lot of those I don't have the answers for right now.
Answers that will now have to come from court. Chris Conti, News Channel 5.
Greene and Buchanan will both be back in court at the beginning of next month. And to face charges, they tried to coerce that assault victim into not testifying.